नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ जेवी एंड डॉक्टर तेजस्वी जैन from Faculty of Ayurvedic Science, Department of Naturopathy and Yoga. Today's topic is Catechisms of Naturopathy. These are nothing but some basic principles of naturopathy. The first one is, what is nature cure? So, nature cure is a system of main building in harmony with the constructive principle in nature on the physical, mental and moral and spiritual plans of being. So, what it means is naturopathy does not only focuses on physical and mentally disorders, it is also focused on your moral and spiritual aspect of the life. Next one is, what is the constructive principle in nature? So, the constructive principle is nature which believes in building up, improving, repairing, which always makes the perfect time. It is designed to recover whatever is lost. It helps in repairing the cells. It helps in restoring the normal functioning of our body. And it is opposite to destructive principle in nature. So as we have read already constructive principle, so next is definitely destructive principle in nature. So what is destructive principle in nature? It is opposite to, first thing is it is opposite to constructive principle in nature. So as we have read, constructive principle, what it does, it repairs, build up. So what destructive principle does is it destroys, it degenerates the existing form and type. So this one, when toxins are accumulated, what happens is it disturbs the cells and it impaired with the normal functioning of the body. So we have read that it helps in constructing and destructing natures. So before knowing that, we should also know that what is normal. So how it destructs to normal, and when this destruction has happened, how it recovers. So what is normal? So normal is that which is balanced, where both the everything works normally, which means normal or natural is the harmonic relation with the life purpose of the individual and constructive principle in nature. Let's move on to the next principle, that is, what is health? Health is normal and harmonious vibration of the element and forces composing the human entity on the physical, mental, moral and spiritual plans of being, in conformity with the constructive principle of nature applied to individual life. So, health doesn't mean that you are physically or mentally fit. You should be spiritually and morally also, you have to be fit. Then only you are called as a healthy person. So if person is physically, he doesn't have any disease, but mentally he is having so many problems, he is not able to concentrate on work, and if he is not active so he is not active socially, then also he is considered as a sick. So what is disease? Disease is abnormal and inharmonious vibrations of the element and forces composing the human entity on one or more planes of being. So anything which is where you find discomfort, you find in your mind, body or in your environment, if you are not comfortable, you don't feel like lively, then you are diseased. So next is, what is healing crisis? Healing crisis is an acute reaction resulting from the ascendancy of nature's healing forces over disease condition. Its tendency is toward recovery, and it is therefore in conformity with the nature's constructive principle. So, healing crisis is nothing but your body's response toward the treatment. It can be anything like mild headache, or any kind of pain, any discomfort, not getting proper sleep. This kind of things are called as healing crisis. Means your body is responding toward the treatment. But all the reactions are healing crisis? No. There are healing crisis and there are disease crisis. So we have read already what is healing crisis. So next is what is disease crisis. Disease crisis is same like healing crisis. These are acute reaction resulting from an ascendancy of disease condition over the healing force of the organism. Its tendency is toward fatal termination and it is therefore conformity with the nature's destructive principle. So what is difference between disease crisis and healing crisis is that both are the reactions of your body, but one leads to health and other leads to worsening of the disease. So one should understand that whatever the changes is finding in your body, is it positive or it is negative. Then only we can categorize it is as an healthy disease crisis or healing crisis. Last categorism is what is cure. Cure is the readjustment of the human organism from abnormal to normal conditions and function. So when we call it is cure, means we are regaining its normal function or normal shape. Like when we get any injuries, so the cells repair the area and we found again this normal skin again. So that is called as a cure. So same way in our body, if any organ is damaged, when it is again, it comes back to its normal shape and it gains its normal function back, then we can call it as a cure.